Welcome to HockeyCamps.com, North America's hockey camp directory. Did you know that the word hockey camps is searched in Google over a million times a year? That's over a million parents who are using the internet to try to find the right hockey camp or clinic for their child. Now, if you want to increase your web presence and stay ahead of your competition, be sure to add your camp to HockeyCamps.com. Here's how it works. On April 15th, HockeyCamps.com will be pushed live to the public. Prospective players or parents, anybody who's looking for a hockey camp in their area, will be able to type in their city, their state, province, zip code, whatever the case may be, into our search bar. From there, all the hockey camps in their area will be displayed, and they can find a camp based on their map. They can search by date or distance. Pretty much every camp who signed up through our site in that area will display within 50 miles. So they can kind of browse through. If they find a camp they like, they can click on it and kind of see what that camp's all about. So as you can see, it looks like this camp upload its own video. They have their dates in there. They have the cost in there. Pretty much things that they want to display to prospective campers, they can throw in there, and they have a little description on there. So it's just really a nice way for parents or players to try to find camps in their area. They can also do an advanced search, which is going to have some more search options for them to use, whether it's gender or they can search based on price, things along those lines. It offers them more options. So our goal with the site is to pretty much get as much information to prospective campers as possible, and it kind of acts as a comparison, so they can view different camps in their area, compare them based on a number of different criteria, and pick a camp that really fits fits their needs. So that's the goal of it. And if you want to list your camp, it costs absolutely nothing to do so. It's completely free for everybody. It's free for the users. It's free for the camps. We don't charge anything at this point. So to add your camp, all you have to do is click Add Your Camp and just fill out some basic information. It's real simple. You can upload a logo, which we highly recommend. If you don't have a logo, maybe even just a picture of a player or something, but we require a picture to be in there. And then just put your bio. If you have a promo video for your camp, which is really great, you can add it right in here, and it's going to display on your camp page. And then all you have to do is kind of create a login. And then once you create a login, I have everyone created, so I'll show you kind of what you're going to see from there. So you're going to have a dashboard once you create a login, and from here you can add as many camps as you want. If you run one camp, that's completely fine. If you run 40 camps, that's great too. There's no limit on how many camps that you can add. So I already added a couple camps here. If you want to add camps, you just click on Add Camps, and it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. And here you're just going to put in the camp name, just some more information and description on your camp and what it's all about. It's really simple, and you can tag a number of different things, age levels, different camp types and different tags. Whatever applies to your camp, you can kind of add it in there. So whatever the case may be. And then you could add different date ranges. If you run multiple date ranges, you can just keep adding them on, which is kind of cool. So if you run the same camp in multiple weeks, we can handle that as well. You don't have to add different ones. And same with cost structure. If you're charging a different amount, if there's room and board or meals, things like that. So it's real simple. You just add in all your information, and then you go back, and it's going to look something like this. This is one of my other camps that I have saved. And so you have your promo video in there, all of your information. You have the map, the description. You also have a link to your website and a register now. So if you have like a registration page on your website, we can link directly to that too. Nobody can register for your camp on our actual website. We're just giving them information to get to your camp. So that's pretty much how it works, and this is kind of what the campers are going to see. And then you can add it. You can pretty much edit different camps whenever you want. You could always add more or edit your profile. Everything works pretty well with that. And so you're probably wondering, how we're going to make money if we're not charging the camps, if we're not charging the players and parents. We are going to offer some featured camp spots. You saw them probably on our homepage, and we're offering some video spots here. Most importantly, we are going to be putting featured camps at the top of our search results for each city. So if you're interested in becoming a featured camp for your area, we are offering some premier spots, and as you can see along the side, we're also going to offer them up top, and we have some different packages available. So you don't have to be a featured camp to be included on our site. Everybody can be listed, and it's not a requirement to do that. But if you are interested in becoming a featured camp, you can reach out to me, Chris at icehockeysystems.com. That's CHRIS at icehockeysystems.com. Or give me a phone call at 716-713-3129. We're very excited about this project, and it's really going to be great for camps to really get exposure and hopefully get some new business coming your way. And it's going to be great for parents and players too, because they can kind of look at camps side by side and really figure out what fits their needs and what's right for them. So yeah, we're excited about this. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. And thanks so much for your time, and have a great day. And we really hope you add your camp, and we hope we drive you some good business. So have a good one, and we'll be in touch. Thanks.